Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And this particular video, I want to share with you 4 things you should avoid because they can destroy your channel. So if you're a small YouTuber and you don't know much about YouTube, please listen to what I'm about to share with you. I fell victim of this. I didn't know, and it affected my channel very, very much. So I wanted to avoid it, and that's why I want to share this video with you. Now, listen, YouTube is not like Facebook where many things don't happen. You just see people do whatever they want or do a lot of things, and we don't. But YouTube is completely different. You cannot just do anything you want on YouTube and go scot-free. I didn't know I will have to give account of every video I post on my platform. I didn't know that. So I was just enjoying myself, but before I knew it, backlashes started coming in. So let's go straight into the video. But before we do that, if you are seeing my video for the first time, kindly give this particular video a like if it sounds like what you will want to be listening to. Subscribe to the channel so that and turn on the notification bell so that you will always be notified whenever I drop a new video. So let's get into the video. Number one thing you should avoid as a new YouTuber or even as a YouTuber is to avoid copyright strike. Avoid anything that can give you copyright strike. For those of you that don't know what copyright strike is when you infringe on somebody else's right, using somebody else's content, be it write-up, be it video, audio, without the person's permission. Well, preparing the copyright for that particular content. The person said, if anybody posts this video, delete the video and punish the person. That is what a strike is. And on YouTube, if you have 3 copyright strikes within 3 months, your channel will be deleted. Yeah. So that's why you need to be very careful when you want to use other people's content. Okay, you must understand the terms of use. So avoid copyright strike by all means, and it's possible. Number 2, avoid clickbait. I'm going to explain this very, very well because I see it a lot and people don't know that this is going to hurt their channel. Now, clickbait is when you use a thumbnail that does not represent your video just to drag people or just to make people to click on your video. But what you don't know is this: immediately they click on your video and they see that that thumbnail does not represent the video, they click off. And YouTube algorithm is taking note of it. Imagine you posting a video of 10 minutes, your thumbnail dragged people to click it, they clicked it, and they saw that this is not representing, and they jumped out after 20 seconds. And like 90% of the people that clicked on that video jumped out at that same 90 seconds. The algorithm has sensed a red signal, knowing that, oh, this video is not worth pushing. So they will stop giving your video impressions. And impressions simply means pushing your video to more viewers. So your video will stop going out. They will just stop doing that because in fact, the system will have detected that something is wrong with that particular video. Another way people use clickbait is to title a video the other way around. So that means they are putting a title that does not represent the video because they know that people will want to click it, right? We just use a famous name and that name is not represented in that video. The same thing will happen. The same thing that they did because of the thumbnail, viewers will also do that because of the title. They may click, but they will also click off. And when the algorithm started noticing the activity on your channel, on that particular video, the video will not go far and is in turn hurting your channel, like your content is a lie. And we don't want that. So you don't want to do that. You want to avoid clickbait by all means. Be sincere. Post whatever your video represents. That is what will give you integrity on the platform. Do this deliberately. You understand? And you will thank me later. Before we go into number 3, let me know in the comment section what other area you're having challenge with. Okay, so that we're able to do it or talk about it in my next video. I like to talk about AI, graphic design, video editing, how to grow your YouTube channel. That is what I love to do. I love to share my experience with everybody. I'm not hiding anything. Whatever I've learned, I'm willing to share it. So let me know in the comment section whatever your area of challenges or challenge is. Now, number 3, avoid over editing. If you don't try to impress anybody, you're just starting out. Don't try to over edit, because trust me, your first 10 videos on YouTube will be horrible. I don't mean horrible like ugly. Compared to the video you will later be having, you will know that, oh, you didn't try, you didn't do well at all. So just edit as much as you can and let your video go out. Over editing will waste your time. You will not be able to put out content as you ought to put out. So you want to avoid, over editing. Don't see a big YouTuber and you want to edit like that. No. See, what a lot of them do is they employ people to edit their videos. They focus on creating content and they pay people to edit. And a lot of us don't have the money to start paying somebody to edit our videos, right? So why do you now want to spend your time over editing your video? So avoid it and move on. Number 4, never abandon your channel. Yes, you know why I'm saying this? As a small content creator, people will not easily see your video. You don't have more subscribers. How many subscribers do you have? Some of us don't even have, or some people don't even have up to 100 subscribers. So don't expect to suddenly have 1,000 views, 2,000 views, 20,000 views, 100,000 views. Don't expect that. I'm saying this so that you prepare your mind that no matter the number of views you have on your video, you are not going to leave your channel blank. You are not going to ghost. You are not going to run away. Because if you run away, the channel will be like that. It will not grow. If it will be the same way you left it off. Views will not be added. Subscribers will not be added. Because if you are starting out on YouTube, YouTube want to see that you are participating. Want to see that you are engaging with other videos. Want to see that, okay, you are making effort to improve your videos, improve your thumbnails, improve your title, improve your description. So the algorithm want to see that you are doing all that, because YouTube gathers data. You know now, this is technology, this is tech. Data, keep gathering data. So the more you work on your channel, the more you post on your channel, the more your channel, there's something called channel history. Your channel will have enough history to work with. So the algorithm will know that, okay, this person is legit, this person is serious, this person is not joking with what he or she is doing on the channel. So your videos will now start gaining recommendation. There's something called channel ranking. Okay, your channel will start ranking better. You understand? So don't ghost no matter the number of views you have on any of your videos. Don't say, I've done so much on this video and I'm getting 5 views. Relax. Post the next video. Post the next video. And let me say this. You'll be shocked that those videos that didn't get views, by the time the algorithm recognizes your channel as being legit, as being serious, those videos will start gaining views. You understand? So don't run away. Never do that. If you have found value in this video that I've shared and you have not subscribed, do me a favor. That's the way you can support me. Support me by subscribing to the channel and turn on that notification bell so that whenever I drop new tips, new videos like this, YouTube will notify you and push the videos to you. You understand? You'll be able to watch it and your channel will keep growing. Let me also know in the comment section where you are watching from. Are you watching from Uganda, from Zimbabwe, from the UK, from the US? Let me know in the comment section. I love to connect with you. Let's build a stronger community. Thank you and see you in my next video. Okay.